So here is the best way on how you can enable offline mode in Ubisoft Connect app. So here, as you can see, I'm currently on online mode and I haven't logged in yet, but if you log in, it will show you that you're online. So there is a very easy way on how you can enable offline mode. First up, what you need to do is just head over to your settings, and right over here, you need to type in Windows Fire Defender or Defender or Firewall, just like that. Once you're here, what you need to do is just simply head over to advanced settings. Inside advanced settings, you simply need to go ahead and press on outbound rules. And over here, you have to press on new rule. Once you do that, you have to specifically press on program and press next after that. Right over here, you have to select the program path. So it's very simple. You just need to go to browse and this PC right over here, program files, and you need to find Ubisoft. Yeah, here we go. Now, once you've found Ubisoft, you just need to simply go ahead and press on it. And now go ahead and press on Ubisoft Game Launcher. And right over here, you have to scroll down until you see Uplay Webcore. Simply press on that. And right over here, it will say this. Now you just need to go ahead and press on next. And right over here, you'll see three options, but you just need to go ahead and press on block the connection. So I obviously don't want to enable the offline mode because I play online games and I want to play with my friends. So if you want to stay anonymous and you're going to play on offline mode, just simply press on block the connection and press next. Once you press next on it, it will do the domain and you just need to be on private. So it's up to you, whatever you want to be on a domain or private or public. So just disable public and domain and let it on private. But if you want to, just simply do that and press next again and you're good to go. After that, your offline mode will be enabled. You just need to simply restart your Ubisoft and you're good to go. So yeah, that's all it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you in the next tutorial.